Hi, my name's Nick Weeks. I look after the Carpenter Additive team based in Liverpool. Carpenter Additive is part of the Carpenter Technology group, which concentrates in specialty steel. And Carpenter Additive delivers solutions for additive manufacturing from the powder as the feedstock all the way through to powder handling and management systems and the additive manufacture itself, including associated post-processing as well. We cover such a wide part of that vertical supply chain, from the atomization of the powder at the beginning all the way through to the final results and the mechanical properties that are created in the parts that we make. And because we touch every part of that process, we have an opportunity to collect data at every step in that process and look for ways to optimize the process. We started a trial with Lumen because it seemed like a really great way to capture that data from many different data sources in one system and then be able to display that data so we can try and make decisions based on it. And we started a pilot study a couple of months back to do this, and we got some really encouraging results just looking at one section of our process. Overall, I'd say the engagement with the team at Bellrock was fantastic. A really great bunch of people to work with, even in these challenging times where we haven't been able to get face to face as much as we'd like. And the pace in which they worked on the project and troubleshooted any issues we found was really fantastic. So I really enjoyed working with all the team.